So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back, guys. So, as you can see by the thumbnail, we do have Allure for the month of August. Now, I know this sounds familiar, right? No. To this day, guys, if you go back and you watch that video where I had the 3 random unboxings and Allure was one of them, it was in a regular Allure box, the kind, I keep forgetting they changed their packaging. So when I got it, it was the lift-off top, like the old Allure. I have no idea to this day. I called, like I said in that video. I froze the video and I did the voiceover, and I did call because I thought for sure they signed me up for another year. No. My last box is September. We don't know how it got there. We don't know what it's for. They said, just keep it, whatever. Okay, whatever. Somebody said it's a thank you box. So if you want to know what's going on here, keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not. Rate the video thumbs up and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay, so we do have this one. Now, this is the one that I heard was like, oh so good. Now, I did not see this. I kind of think I know what is in there because I've been on the MSA swap site and I've seen a product. Now, if it's in here, holy moly, all I can say is I do have the smaller version and I absolutely want to like see something about it. I want to... There was some talk, some chatter on the site, and I want to see if it's true. So, we do have the box right here. So, you lift it up. Well, that was easy. Okay, so you lift it up, and there you have it. The book. The last video, I was like, oh, and now we need the book, right? There was no book. Anyway, I'm going to paraphrase, as always, because that book is just so darn long. Okay, so we do have, like, some advertisements. That's always kind of new now. That's a very pretty eye look. I don't think I would look good with that, but yeah, that's a pretty good look. Okay, oh man, let's go to the book for reference. That's it. Now, guys, I have the small version that Ipsy sent me, right? Hold, please, and I'll tell you what I'm doing in a second. Okay, so I've been told that this brand is made somewhere, and okay, so this one I believe came from Ipsy, if I'm not mistaken. This does say made in the UK, okay? Ytherium Day Cream NAC-Y2. Same thing, okay, except this one's a little guy. I'm going to hold it up as you can see it, okay? So it is the same exact product, you know, just that's a smaller version. This is a full size. I can only imagine how much this is. Holy moly. Even if it is like a knockoff or whatever. Let me just be quiet because I don't know. I do not know what I'm talking about. I'm afraid to look. But anyway, this is the 111 skin. Like I said, there's the packaging. It's very, you know, minimalistic. It's very, I kind of like that. It's very to the point. Now, I got to admit, guys, I have tried this. And I have tried the under eye cream is to freaking die for. It's one of the only creams that absolutely keeps me hydrated. Like all day. Like all day. I don't get dry under here. I don't have to like reapply a concealer or nothing. It just stays perfect for, well, at least the last time I tried it, it did. This is good as a moisturizer too. I have tried it. But I only use a very little bit on special occasions because this is so expensive. Well, now I have a full size. Let me see. It does have that seal on it. Oh, it's coming out already? It kind of smells like a little fresh. But then, like, my grandma, I guess, I don't know, like grandma stuff from back in the day, if that makes any sense. But yeah, this is the component. It's very pretty, very bougie. So I'm happy to get this. I have to go look for this one. Let's see. Yeah, 270 bucks. Listen, guys, I have a little skinny thing. It's a tube like this, but it's like this. And it's probably about from here, I want to say from here to here. Skinny old tube, little tiny tube. It's worth like 90 bucks. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. I was like, I am not charging somebody $90 for that on the swap site, you know? All right, so there you have that. I mean, I'm happy to get that. I really am, because I have been using that little bitty at a time. Now I can dig in. I mean, not really, because that's going to go too, but, and you know your girl can't afford to buy that again. I'm sorry, here it is. It must have flew out somehow. Okay, or maybe I took... That is the third video in a row that I've dropped. Listen, guys, I cut so much out, you don't even want to know. All right, so this is the Real Her I-E-Y-E am Resilient Metallic eyeliner. This is not something I will use. I don't use brown, bronzy color eyeliners ever. I used to think cat eyes had to be dark, done in dark. Well, she says she's using this as her cat eyeliner. I don't know. It looks like, I want to see if it's, really, I opened the wrong end? Yeah, I did. I'm not going to open it, guys, because I'm sure you've seen it already. I'm sorry. It's just really hard to get out. I can't get it out. I don't want to break my nail. So it is a eyeliner. It looks like this. It looks like it's one of them plastic things you have to turn up. But there's the shade right here. And yeah, I'm definitely, like, that's not my thing. So I will put this in a giveaway. We'll stick that over here. And then we have Blush Serum. This is Blush Serum from who? Duh, Stephanie. Butanique Beauty makes this. This is a lip and I believe cheek tint? Hold on. Oh, no, it's a blush serum. Don't put it on your lips. Jesus. I just sat... You know I'm getting tired from reading stuff and forgetting right away. All right. As the weather gets sweatier, I wear less and less clothes and makeup. My beauty routine gets... See, that's what I'm trying to say. Like, I just want a little bit of something. I don't put makeup on every day, guys. I just don't. No. I may put some lip gloss. I definitely wear my balm with the sunscreen in it. And, of course, sunscreen on my face. But I may do, like, mascara, and that's it. You know, maybe. Maybe, for sure. So here it is what it looks like. It is sealed. So I'm not going to open that because when you do, TikTok starts the clock. I've been waiting so long to do that because I'm missing my old editing app. I got it back. So yeah, so this, I don't know what shade this is. Does it say? So this is in Magenta Sky. That sounds interesting, right? Oh, wait, let me see that. There you go. Magenta Sky. So I'm interested in trying this. Maybe. I don't know if I get brave enough because definitely a learning curve on that one. All right, so we have this little bottle of something. This is, oh boy. What's with the words? They're killing me. How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? Whatever. How are you? How are you? Oh my gosh, what are these names? I am sorry. All the names in the world, and you're going to pick that for like a skincare name? I don't know. I don't think I would have went with that. That wouldn't be, I don't know. Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. I think didn't we get this somewhere else? I know I brought a hyaluronic acid toner down to the beach with me. Yes, I did. Because, well, this one's here. This is the big price. It just says, let's get one thing straight. This isn't the toner of your teenage years. Black rice and extract and hyaluronic acid, top ingredients, list of this hydrating formula. After cleansing, I pour a few drops into the palm of my hand, and you can also use a cotton pad, and then gently press into my skin from my forehead to my neck. Okay, the full size of this is $37, okay? So I had one that looks just like this. It was clear, that's what I know. Maybe it wasn't this brand, but anyway, I used it down there because I don't want to bring a big bottle. All right, and then we have this thing, and then one more thing, and we're done. This is, Vitabrid C, and I think we've gotten this before. Vitabrid C12 Dual Drop Serum. Vitamin C, peptides, and hyaluronic acid, have starring roles in this K-Beauty serum, which Allure editors have been known to fall in love with. A direct quote from one colleague: after just 2 weeks, it delivers brighter, smoother, and thoroughly moisturized skin. So the full size of this is $62. Let's take her out the box and see what she looks like, shall we? I'm being all weird. Wow. That's like sound effects and all, really, Steph. Anyway, it's cute. You got a little dropper. I like the dropper. I so want to try this. I have like 30,000 hyaluronic acid soap, and I do not need to put this up. Oh, it's very thick. Look. Ready? Yeah, so that's like one drop. So I put 2 drops on, right? Because, can you see that? 2 drops, okay. Oh, it's not moving. It's right there. Oh, it's a toner. Okay, so, yeah. No scent. That's cool. Yeah, no scent. You know what, though? The Tatcha Rice Cleanser kind of gives me like them bumps, like allergic bumps, really quick. Not the water cream, just the cleanser. And I'm hoping that this, because it's like that rice stuff, I hope it's not like that. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. It makes my skin feel kind of sticky. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of sticky. I don't know if I'd like that on my face. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, I'll get back to you on that one. All right, so this is a MediHeal. Okay, I'm down with this. Intensive hydrating mask. Hydrating, tightening, and refining. I'm down with that. This is, oh, that's kind of cool. MediHeal. Moisturizing, yay. There's where it looks like, right there. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I tell you how much this was? Let me see. Yeah, $62. And this, yes, $37. Okay. Oh, but you could have got a whole bunch of things. You could have gotten these two things. Right there. I did not get these. These two things are missing from the box. So, I guess it's a variant. You will receive either the Decorte Moisture Lifesome Serum, Decorte AQ Serum, or Vitabrid, and I got the Vitabrid. Okay, so, and then we have the mask. So, what do you think of Allure this month? It's high up there on the value, I will say that. So, we have one full-size item that is, I guess, it's a mask. And how much is that mask worth? I forgot to tell you. Sorry. I think I was brandy dandy new at this. Oh, my goodness. See, they don't tell you if they come in a pack or something. This is $19.90, but I'm not sure. You think it's just for one? I would have to look it up. Anyway, a full-size version, whether it's one mask or 5 in a pack, is $19.90. So then we have the oh-so-expensive, thank you, I love this stuff, Ytherium, whatever, NAC2, 111 Skin Moisturizer. And then we have the Vitabrid. It's better now. So it takes a while to dry down, just know that. But that's kind of cool. And it's very thick, so that's very good, I think. Always put hyaluronic acid or any type of like serum like with hyaluronic acid in it on a damp face, guys. Because it's going to suck moisture and you don't want to suck it out of your skin to plump. I mean, it will plump it up, but, you know, eventually you keep doing that, you're going to be out of stuff to suck out of your face. So you want to add some moisture so that it's putting moisture in continuously, not always taking it out. Just a little tip. And then we have this is the toner. This is the hyaluronic acid toner. Then we have the Real Her Thangamkebab, and I think that's it. Oh no, the cheek, which I'm really want to try, but I think I'm going to be all messed up on it. Ooh, that's a bright color, yeah? And there you have it. So, that is Allure for August. Now, I will say, you know, when I'm sorry, my eyelashes are seriously bothering me. I'm ready to take them off. Hi, guys. Like I always say, thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate you tuning in. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit that button. I hate that S word. And become part of the family, okay? Because you will be treated as such. It's just that simple. I care about each and everybody in this community. I really, really do. I hope that comes through and that y'all know that. And if you are new, please comment and let me know that you are new so I can properly and officially welcome you to the family. Whether it's on a giveaway video, I don't care. A lot of people find me through giveaways, guys. But the thing is, they stay, you know, and that's always a good thing. I am blessed in that manner. So, I will say to you, if you are going through something, if you are feeling off your square or, you know, mad, angry, anxious, fearful, what have you, depressed, please talk to someone about it. It doesn't have to be, you know, your best, you know, your mother, your father. It could be your best friend. It could be a stranger. It could be me. I'm always available. You know, all my social media handles are always down below. If you ever want to talk in private, I'm here. I always make time for you guys, and I have no problems doing that. And also, if you are asked, like if someone asks you, hey, you got a minute? I need to like really talk about something. Please say yes to them because you could very well help them. But like I always say, and have been for a very long time, in this crazy, mixed up world, please, to my family members, stay safe, guys. Until the next one, see ya.